It's when you read different books about different topics, and especially for the work what we do and what you want to do, it will help you to make a more informed decision on which path you really want to take.
It's why I don't want to leave to go live by myself. Because Karima want to come over there every minute and I'm not ready for that yet. I want to empower myself.
That's my girl.
Bubbles, you can ask you something?
What happened?
Whisper, alright? We hear like somebody after him. But we hear you talk to Mullins on the phone. And you said this Andrew guy and him after him.
That's a very touchy situation, T. What I want you to do is I want you to be very careful, and I want you to be very observant in the spaces that you go. Don't talk to strangers, alright? And I want you to keep an eye on Whisper for me.
Me keep an eye on Whisper? You mean follow him?
No, Tonian. I just want you to be more observant, especially when you're in the space with him. Alright?
Warm dancer, age 28. For most dancer practitioners, dance is central aspect of life. This chapter critically examines the cellular and key for one dancer takes in order. Firstly, how scholars and research have interpreted music, dance practice.
Hello baby, what's up?
Daddy, when I'm coming home.
Soon baby. Where's grandma?
Grandma is outside.
Okay baby, daddy have to go now, yeah? Love you.
Okay, I love you too, Daddy. Bye. Grandma, can I get some snack, please?
Got me in the moment, you see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Ah, ah, ah. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive, I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere.
Tonian, I second time you said about them. You go to school and tell me?
No, we just educate myself more about the culture.
Alright, education is key. Just remember me when you start to work.
Pretend it, don't understand this is something it's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.
Hello,
Oh, go on, Mr. Archer.
Mr. Thompson.
Is everything alright?
So glad to hear from you.
I listened to your voice note the other day, you know. But I couldn't answer at the time, you know. I was very busy.
I was very concerned.
Miss more and talk to you, you know. Can't lick up on my bro.
No?
Yeah man, no.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Wherever you go, I can't pretend it. Don't understand this is something it's not.